वागातोर हणजुणीच्या सेंट मायकल कॉन्व्हेंट हायस्कूलांत बिरेस्तारा वार्षिक इस्कॉलाचो वार्सुकी दीस कम प्रदर्शन जालें. ह्या निमतान शिक्षण संचालक गजानन भट मुखेल सोयरे जाल्यार विक्टर ह्युगो गोम्स हे मानाचे सोयरे म्हण हजर आशिल्ले. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर हणजुणीच्यान जोसेफ फर्नांडीस.
Enchanting vibration is organized by us for the first time. It's an annual day come exhibition. It gives me great privilege while I have witnessed my students and teachers working together as a team. While I'm standing here, this is mind in action.
Only one demand is there of this high school. That is new higher secondary to this school. All students who are studying here up to 10th standard, I would like to see that all the standard after completing 10th standards to complete their 12th standard from the same institution next year. So I request the management to apply for this one, to consider it sympathetically. We are giving topmost priority to the education state government, and we will see that every child, your student, to get quality education in the state. It is my responsibility. I assure all the parents, those who are present here, the child which we have admitted at a pre-primary level to reach a 12th standard with a quality education and will compete at the national, at the international level.